Does the future of AI technology hold the promise of a new era of innovation and human advancement? Welcome to a thrilling odyssey into the heart of artificial intelligence. Over the past 2 decades, we've witnessed an exponential growth in AI technology. This rapid expansion has been nothing short of revolutionary, pushing the boundaries of what's possible and sparking the imagination. In the midst of this technological renaissance, Elon Musk, a name synonymous with innovation, is set to introduce a groundbreaking marvel, the xAI. This isn't just another piece of software, no, it's a beacon of progress, a testament to human ingenuity. With whispers of its impending launch spreading like wildfire, the anticipation is palpable. The question everyone is asking, is xAI the game changer we've been waiting for? Will it redefine our interaction with AI, pushing us further into a future that was once only the stuff of science fiction? Rest assured, we're on the cusp of something extraordinary. The stage is prepared for xAI, Elon Musk's latest creation in the sphere of AI technology. xAI is far from ordinary. It's poised to redefine our engagement with artificial intelligence. Now let's explore the peculiarities of xAI. What is its function? What differentiates it from AI software? Indeed, the answer lies in the name. xAI, or Explainable AI, aims to shed light on the decision-making mechanisms of artificial intelligence. Unlike the opaque nature of AIs, xAI provides comprehensible justifications for its actions. This represents a substantial step forward in AI technology. Envision an AI that not only but can also elucidate why it made those decisions. The impact is far-reaching. In sectors such as healthcare, finance, and law, this could lead to better-informed choices and enhanced trust in AI systems. AI researchers gain a deeper comprehending of intricate algorithms and the chance to hone them further. However, the unique feature of xAI isn't merely its explainability, it's the vast range of its applications. From vehicles to virtual personal assistants, xAI aims to infiltrate every aspect of our lives, enhancing our engagement with AI. Moreover, xAI unprecedented adaptability. It's designed to learn and develop, mirroring human evolution. Thus it can adjust to new scenarios and challenges, rendering it a resilient, future-proof solution. What is xAI? It's more than just software, it's a fresh perspective on AI, a resource that can simplify our lives, optimize our choices, and advance our future. But how does xAI compare to other top-tier AI software like ChatGPT-4? That's a question that necessitates its own detailed, so brace yourselves as the discussion is about to intensify. In the world of AI, competition is fierce. How does xAI measure against the likes of ChatGPT-4? On one side of the ring, we have Elon Musk's xAI, a bright new contender boasting a unique approach to artificial intelligence. It's designed to create a more conversational and intuitive user experience. Unlike other AIs, xAI learns from a user's individual interactions, adapting and evolving its responses over time. This personal touch could be a game changer, especially for those who desire a more tailored AI experience. On the other side of the ring, we have ChatGPT-4, an already established heavyweight in the field. ChatGPT-4, developed by OpenAI, has made waves with its impressive language processing and generation abilities. It's capable of producing human-like text, making it a popular choice for tasks requiring complex language understanding, from customer service to creative writing. In terms of capabilities, both have their merits. xAI's adaptive learning could make it the preferred choice for applications that require a more personalized touch. However, ChatGPT-4's vast language understanding, backed by OpenAI's extensive training data, gives it a competitive edge in tasks that require a broad and deep understanding of language. Looking at limitations, xAI is still in its early stages. While its potential is undeniable, it's yet to be seen how it will perform in real-world applications. On the contrary, ChatGPT-4 has been tried and tested, but its static learning model means it lacks the adaptability that xAI offers. Each software has its unique selling points. xAI's adaptive learning model could revolutionize the way we interact with AI, while ChatGPT-4's language capabilities continue to set the bar high for AI language models. In terms of target audience, xAI's personalized approach appeals to those who crave a more individualized AI experience. ChatGPT-4, with its broad language understanding, is a go-to for professionals needing an AI that can handle complex language tasks. It's clear that both xAI and ChatGPT-4 have their strengths, but the question remains, is xAI the new game changer? The AI landscape is ever evolving, with xAI being the latest entrant. But is it the game changer we've been waiting for? Let's rewind a bit and look at the key points we've discussed about xAI. This new AI software, with its impressive capabilities, is the brainchild of none other than Elon Musk. It's designed to be more sophisticated, more intuitive, and more interactive than its counterparts. It's not just about simulating conversation. It's about understanding context, learning from interactions, and offering responses that are not just accurate but also meaningful. And when it comes to the big question, how does it stack up against the likes of ChatGPT-4? Well, there's no denying that ChatGPT-4 has set a high bar. But xAI, with its advanced technology and innovative approach, is not just reaching for that bar, it's aiming to raise it. The potential impact of xAI on the AI landscape is considerable. It could redefine the way we interact with AI, transform industries, and open up new possibilities we've yet to imagine. It could make AI not just a tool, but a partner, a collaborator, a facilitator. Now let's talk about the practical stuff. When can we expect to see xAI in action? The launch date, as per Musk, is in the not-so-distant future. As for the pricing, it's yet to be disclosed, but given Musk's history of making technology accessible, we can expect it to be competitive. As we step into the future, one thing's for sure: AI technology, with innovations like xAI, continues to push the boundaries of what's possible. The question is not if, but when, we will see these boundaries pushed even further, and with xAI that when might be sooner than we think.